Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is day number 24 of the 24-day overview. I'd like to thank you for doing this series with me. I'd like to thank you for your wonderful comments and suggestions throughout the 24 days. And I just want to recap a few things before the series is over. But before the recap, I wanted to share with you a great comment I got from a viewer that I think is going to help all of us play this piece even better. This viewer says, as a German native speaker, I would like to make a few additional comments about the word Träumerei. I hope that is okay for you. Literally translated, the word träumen, which is a verb, means to dream. In this particular case, it is almost certainly not a nighttime dream that is meant, but a daydream, a dreamy child who is completely lost in his thoughts. When one speaks of a verträumtes child in German, then that is a child who sits in the classroom and instead of listening to the teacher, absent-mindedly looks out the window, watches the birds or the clouds, for example. When we talk about a verträumtes child, we mean children who are inattentive, but at the same time sensitive and calm, which is why these children are usually treated with care and love, although they are not listening. They are in their own world for a while. I think this is represented very well in this composition by Schumann. So I think we can really take that to heart and use the techniques you've used in this overview to create that childlike dreaming, daydreaming-like quality in this piece. How can we do that? Well, we've talked about, of course, making sure your fingering is correct so you have a lot of flexibility and you feel smooth with all your transitions. We've talked about different ways you can shape the dynamics, specifically in these little mini melody groups, knowing where the center of that is. We can do that by experimenting with the pedal. Do you want it to be more blurry or do you want it to be a little bit cleaner? We can do that by using the soft pedal sometimes. Maybe on the repeat of the first 8 measures, you could do the entire repeat with the soft pedal. We can do that by exploring the pacing. And that's the final thing I want to leave you with, is the pacing. Allow the piece, once you have it under your fingers, to react in real time. Every piano is going to be different, every room is going to be different, so allow the piece space to breathe. Let me play about 4 measures, and then you can experiment on your own with this concept as you move forward. So we get everything in order, we have the pedal in order, we know the fingering we've chosen, we're aware of our voicing, we're aware of our different harmonies. So now I'm going to let the piece breathe, and I'm going to let the melodies react in real time. So here we go. Sneaking in under that chord. Playing with the speed of that roll. Listen to the decay. Maybe coming in a little bit sooner here. So you have quite a bit of flexibility with that pacing and those melodies. So that's it for this tutorial. I don't know exactly which piece I will do next, but I'm open to suggestions in the comments. If you have a piece you really want to learn, let me know. I can't promise I'll do it, but I will consider it. And I just want you to know from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you subscribing. I appreciate you sharing with others who like this style of teaching. I appreciate you mentioning my channel at Olympia Piano in your social media. And then finally, I appreciate the donations that you've sent in through PayPal or YouTube Super Thanks. Those donations allow me to allot time in my schedule to create content like this, which in turn helps people all over the world. I say often, I really appreciate how the piano can bring us all together, regardless of what our backgrounds are, and regardless of where we came from, we can speak this language together, and that is one of my goals. So, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.